Hey everyone, welcome back to Geography Nuts. Today, we're heading to Algiers, a place where history, culture, and Mediterranean charm come together in one breathtaking destination. Known as the White City because of its beautiful whitewashed buildings that shine under the Mediterranean sun. Do you know what makes Algiers so special? Let's explore. Perched along the stunning Mediterranean coast, Algiers is Algeria's vibrant capital and largest city. It is one of North Africa's most fascinating cities and serves as the country's political, economical, and cultural heart. Algiers has been a major hub for centuries thanks to its strategic coastal location. It was founded by the Berbers around the 10th century, later controlled by the Ottoman Empire, then became a French colony in 1830. After Algeria gained independence in 1962, Algiers remained the capital, a symbol of the country's fight for freedom. There is even a famous Hollywood movie about Algeria's fight for independence, The Battle of Algiers. The French ruled Algeria for 132 years, and their influence is still visible in Algiers' architecture, language, cuisine, and daily life. The French built Haussmann-style buildings, wide boulevards, and grand facades in downtown Algiers. It gives parts of the city a very Parisian feel. Rue de Douche Morade, one of the city's main streets, is lined with stunning colonial era buildings. Algiers is full of life. The mix of Arab, Berber, Ottoman, and French influences makes the city unique. It is home to over 3 million people, making it the most populous city in Algeria. The people of Algiers are mostly Arab Berbers, and the majority identifies more strongly with Arab heritage. Regardless of the ethnicity, people are friendly and welcoming. They are eager to share their culture and traditions with visitors. You'll hear a blend of Arabic, French, and Berber languages in the streets. Arabic and Berber are the official languages, and French is widely spoken, especially in business, education, and government. You will find some incredible food with Middle Eastern, Mediterranean, and French influences. Couscous, a type of pasta, meshoui, a slow-roasted lamb dish, brick, a crispy pastry with egg and tuna, and baguettes with spicy merguez sausage are staples. For dessert, macroud, date-filled pastries, and mint tea are a must. The cafe culture in Algiers is very reminiscent of France. You'll find people enjoying espresso and pastries in charming outdoor cafes, much like in Paris. The cost of living in Algiers is relatively low compared to global standards. Rent for a 2-bedroom apartment is around $200 per month. A can of Coke is 50 cents, and you can find MC meals at McDonald's for between $3–4. Dozen eggs are less than $1.50. A monthly cell phone for 10 gigabytes costs around $10. You heard me right, it is just $10. If you are from the West, it may look very affordable, but comparing it to Algiers' salary, it might be tight depending on the job. The average salary is around $300. Accountants usually make approximately $1,000. Admin assistants may make around $500. Are you inspired to go? Getting to Algiers is easy. The Ouari Boumediene International Airport serves flights from Europe, Canada, the Middle East, and many other African countries. If you're going from nearby countries, you can also go by ferry from Spain or France. Once in the city, getting around is convenient with taxis, buses, and the modern Algiers metro. The Algiers tramway is also a great way to explore different districts of the city while enjoying the sights. The city is relatively safe. Watch out for pickpockets and burglaries. More serious incidents like armed robberies and violent crimes are rare. Issues like corruption and bribery are bigger concerns. Once you are there, you should check out these must-see spots. The Casbah of Algiers is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This ancient walled city is a maze of narrow streets, traditional houses, and historic mosques. It's like stepping back in time. The Martyrs Memorial is a towering monument dedicated to the Algerian War for Independence. You can't miss it, it stands 92 meters tall. Notre Dame d'Afrique is a stunning Catholic basilica perched on a cliff with breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. It's often compared to the famous basilica in Marseille, France. Jardin des du Hama is a lush botanical garden that feels like a tropical escape in the middle of the city. The Great Mosque of Algiers is one of the largest mosques in the world. blending modern and traditional Islamic architecture. Algiers markets are worth a visit. Explore lively markets like Souk El Fella or Belcourt Market, where you can find traditional Algerian crafts, fresh produce, and delicious street food. Algiers isn't just a city, it's an experience. You get Mediterranean beauty, deep history, rich culture, and delicious food, all wrapped into one. Plus, it's far less crowded than other big tourist cities, meaning you get to explore its treasures without the huge crowds. Algiers is a place of contrast, ancient and modern, peaceful yet full of energy. Whether you're a history buff, foodie, or just love beautiful cities, this one's worth checking out. What do you think? Would you visit Algiers? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing geography content. See you in the next video.